Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to explain how you can draw manually in your drawings on LibreOffice Draw in 2026. So let us dive into this. Head over to the page here, or to your page on LibreOffice Draw in your project. Let me go with that blank page here. And to draw manually, guys, or by hand, you will need to right click into any of these tools here on the left toolbar. For example, the line tool here, and choose this option. After that, the cursor will change its appearance, as you can see. So start drawing with your left mouse. Hold your left mouse. And that's it. Now you can customize that drawing. You may resize it. So it works almost the same way as on other drawing tools here, or also on LibreOffice, like LibreOffice Writer and so on and so forth. The difference is that you will find the drawing tool by right-clicking into the toolbar here to the left. And here to the right you will see the properties of the selected object. In this case here, that manually drawn line is the object. So here you can expand the line tab and customize the line thickness, the color change, for example, adjust the opacity here, rotate the object. But you can rotate the object also by clicking into one of its markers here. They will change their color to red. And by left clicking into one of these corner markers, hold your left mouse and rotate the object. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.